Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. On the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got some options to customize. First of all, we can decide if you'd like to use the automatic date and time, GPS provided time, or you can turn it off, so you can set date and time manually. So let me pick to turn it off, and let me pick the date. From this calendar you can choose the date you'd like to use, so let me pick this one for example. Let's tap on OK. The same situation with that time. From this clock you can choose the one you'd like to set, and remember to confirm with OK. What's more, it immediately appears on the status bar. Under it we've got the time zone section, and now we are using automatic time zone, but we can also set it manually. Just tap on the switcher here, and now the time zone option is active, so you can freely tap here, and as you can see here we've got the full list of available time zones, the regions from which we can choose. So all you have to do is simply tap on the one you'd like to apply. So let me pick this one for example. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here. What's more, be aware that if you will change the time zone, then the time will also change according to it. Under it we've got the clock format, so now we are using 24-hour format, and it is a local default, but of course you can turn it off and decide if you'd like to use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Now obviously we are using 12-hour format, but if you'd like to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, everything changes. So actually this is how to set date and time. If you'd like to get back to all previous settings, nothing easier, just tap on this switcher to use the local default format, to use automatic time and time zone, and actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.